everyone. Welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tangi Patton. Bonjour. Ready for a fabulous taste of Old Paris? Well, you don't have to pack your bags for a flight to the City of Light. We've discovered a French brasserie so authentic, you can have it all without ever leaving the Lone Star State.
C'est magnifique. That's what they're saying about the hottest new dining spot in San Antonio. C'est enchanté to Brasserie Mon Chou Chou.
It's absolutely amazing. It's just phenomenal.
Absolutely divine.
All the details, even down to the tile floor, it's stunning. But then there's the food.
The star of the show here, this amazing French raclette.
They grab a whole hunk of cheese, warm it up, and then put it onto some bread that has a garlic aioli on it. That's delicious.
Or try this unforgettable bronzino, an irresistible fish.
That dish has everything. It has texture, flavors, and visual.
Part of the Southerly Hospitality Group, it all begins here at the historic Pearl, where this French brasserie feels like it could be right next to the Champs-Élysées.
Sure, it looks just like you stepped out into Paris.
Instead of sitting on the banks of the Seine in Paris, this brilliant brasserie rests near the beautiful San Antonio River.
This is kind of Paris in San Antonio for us.
Congratulations on the success of this restaurant. It's become the toughest ticket in town to get.
The restaurant has been booked solid since it opened earlier this year, selling out night after night.
We were not expecting the city to welcome us so wonderfully. No? It's a result of a lot of hard work.
Thanks to the Pearl location, thanks to great designers, the team, the ensemble for that restaurant was just amazing.
And of course, the biggest draw of all, the food.
It's perfect.
This French connection began when the stars seemed to align just right, and these three star owners crossed paths some 20 years ago.
The connection happens here in San Antonio. For Jerome and I, it starts with our wives taking French lessons as we were getting married, and then finding out that Jerome and I worked at the same hotel in Paris back in the early 90s.
Isn't that wild?
It was just kind of crazy.
Perhaps it was fate, because after meeting in San Antonio, they met Chef Laurent, who was a sous chef at the acclaimed restaurant Signature.
It was meant to be.
It was meant to be.
I love you.
Aww, there's a lot of love at this table.
Like its owners, Mon Chou Chou oozes French charm. And while it truly is authentic, it's not at all stuffy, just comfortable and inviting.
Those dishes are exactly the way you would find them in a true brasserie in France.
It's a whirlwind romance of delightful dishes where you can savor the flavors of France, like this buttery escargot.
Yes, ma'am. Love them. So tender, imported from Burgundy. What a beautiful excuse to have 6 full spoons of butter with a little bit of garlic, fresh herbs. Delicious. Yum.
How about this dreamy dish? A salmon tartare duet.
It's delightful, and there's a nice caper flavor going on in that tartare.
Absolutely, yeah.
The delicious eats here might just leave you at a loss for words.
That escargot, love it, man.
Oh, pardon my French.
You'll love it too, even if you don't speak French.
French cuisine is not nearly as intimidating as it seems.
There's plenty to love at the classic Brasserie bar too. Check out the Bobo Sour.
2 of my favorite liquor, bourbon, and as well some Lillet.
That is delightful.
Here's a real pleaser, and we've got the recipe.
So today we're going to do a traditional veal cordon bleu. So you want to season the veal first.
With just simple salt and pepper, right?
Yes. In France we use a lot of butter,
Oh, yes, we do, and we're so glad you do, Chef.
And this is just a little butter, okay?
A little more butter always makes it better.
And we're going to finish with a little charred lemon.
Beautiful.
Et voila.
Voila, indeed. That is phenomenal. You get the lemon and the butter, the ham, the cheese, the veal. It's delicious.
It's an experience.
The decadent desserts here will make you swoon, like this scrumptious strawberry soup. Ooh la la!
we have really created a dining experience where people look forward to come back. So it's exciting to see that.
So if the Eiffel Tower is calling your name, you know where to go.
Paris is on my list, but it's a wonderful alternative to be able to come here.
A visit to Mon Chou Chou, and you won't forget Paris. You'll just realize it's a lot closer to home than you think.
I love it, Mon Chou Chou.
It's phenomenal, phenomenal.
Au revoir, Mon Chou Chou, until we eat again.
Cheers.